Hey guys, welcome back. I am doing a BoxyCharm unboxing today. Honestly, I have no idea whether this is my BoxyPremium or my base box. So we will open it up and we will find out. If that sounds interesting, stick around. We're gonna get started in just a second. Before we do, if you are new here, hi, I'm Annie. I am a 40-something lover of color who believes that you can have fun with color at any age. If that sounds fun and interesting, if you love color and indie makeup as much as I do, if you want to just see a little more color in your timeline and you aren't subscribed already, I would love it if you would stick around and subscribe. Also, you may hear some trumpet playing in the background. My daughter is practicing right now. It is currently, let's see, 4:18 on a Thursday afternoon. I just got home from work. I'm exhausted. It has been, it's been a hectic start to the school year for sure. So we are just going to go ahead and open up this box. If you are unfamiliar with BoxyCharm, BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription box where they promise to send you 5 full-size items for $25 a month for the base box and $35 a month for the premium box. And base, they promise that you will have $125 value. Premium is supposed to be $175 value. If you have been here for the last couple of my unboxings, you will know that I have been very unhappy with them. I have not been enjoying them. I'm just trying to move everything out of my way. This is just so you know what's happening here. These palettes right here, what have I got here? 5 of these just arrived in the last couple of days. So yeah, I'm a little overrun right now. All right, so let's go ahead and open up this box, shall we? It is a big one. Let's pull out the card first. So this is BoxyCharm Spa Glamping Sunbathe Yoga Slumber. What is this, camping or something? Glamping. So I am not honestly sure. I'm not sure which box this is. I'm going to be 100% honest. So I can't remember what I chose. I think this might be, oh, this is the premium box. It says it right inside. So here we go. BoxyPremium. There we go. All right, let's go ahead and get started, shall we? Let's pull out the first thing. So the first thing I have is something from Milk Makeup. This is the Long Wear Gel Eyeliner. So this says Milk Makeup Long Wear Gel Eyeliner has a highly pigmented waterproof formula that stays in line all day long. Hydrating avocado oil and hyaluronic acid combine to smooth the look of skin so liner glides on without pulling or catching. The liner comes with a shaper and a smudger to allow for precise application or a smoky effect depending on your mood. This retails for $22. It's interesting to me that it has hyaluronic acid in it, honestly. I don't think I've ever had a liner that has hyaluronic acid. So I got mine in the shade, what shade is this? The shade Bonus, I guess, which looks to be, judging by this, like a copper shade. So let's just kind of, oh, that's the smudger. So this is the smudger end here. And then here is what this looks like. It is one of the roll-up kind. Hopefully it'll roll back. Yeah, I think it rolls back. Okay, great. So here's what that looks like. And let's go ahead and swatch this because this is something that I will use. That is really creamy and that's really nice. I actually, oh, I broke it. Oh, I'm doing great, you guys. This is just the way my day is going. I'm telling you. School this year is going to be something else. So I broke that. Yay, yay me. Okay, let's put that down. I've got eyeliner all over my hands now. So again, that retailed for $22. Let's see if I can keep track, shall we? Kind of all over the place. I'm sorry. Like I said, I did just get home from work and it has been highly insane. Let's pull out the next thing. The next thing is a MAC lipstick. So this is the MAC Cosmetics Satin Lipstick, a creamy lipstick formula with a soft, cushy feel, medium to full buildable coverage, and satin finish. This retails for $19, and I got mine in 813 Mocha, which looks to be a really nice kind of brownie nude shade. I really do love these shades. Oh yeah. This is a shade that I will really enjoy, especially in the fall. We are going to go ahead and swatch that as well. Oh, that's pretty. That is like a perfect shade for me when I actually get to wear lipstick, because wearing lipstick these days is not always a given. So again, this retailed for $19. We're going to go ahead and add this to our total. Let's pull out the next thing. The next thing I have is from Fenty Beauty. This is the, oh golly, I'm not super excited about this one. This is the Fenty Beauty Portable Contour and Concealer Brush number 150. A magnetic retractable contour and concealer brush that attaches to your favorite matte skin stick for seamless sculpting and blending in a snap. So this one, I gotta say, I'm not super excited about. I don't know that I will even use this. So this slides down, and this is what the brush tip looks like. And then this just slides back up, I guess. Yeah, not super excited about that. I usually enjoy brushes, but I don't need a brush like this. It's not like I'm going anyplace. Are any of us going anyplace? That is the question, right? Again, that retails for $24. We're going to add that to our total. And let's see what else we've got happening in here. All right, there's a palette. Oh, what is it going to be here? This is the Ciate London, the Editor palette, New England. So let's see what it says. Inspired by New England in fall, this palette features super soft and blendable shadows in a mix of richly pigmented autumnal hues. Mix and match the metallic glitters and mattes for effortlessly hazy eye looks. This retails for $32. Let's go ahead and open the packaging. I do like the unicarton. I think that that is really pretty. I'm a sucker for this kind of metallic. And this palette also is quite pretty. This is really pretty. I love this kind of millennial pink packaging with the leaves kind of on it. Hopefully the color story is something that I can get behind. I don't know, you guys. Here's the color story, which is, I mean, it's a neutral palette with a pop of blue and a little bit of green in there. I'm not sure if I will use this. There are only four mattes in this palette. So this is a matte, this is a matte, this is a matte, and this is a matte. And that is it. That is it, or maybe 5. This one looks like one of those mattes with a little bit of glitter in it. So I don't know how I feel about this one. I don't know. There's no shade names for one thing. And the inside of the packaging, the outside is very nice, but the inside of the packaging, I'm gonna be 100% honest, looks a little bit on the cheap side. So I'm not sure whether I'm going to use this palette or not, or whether I'm going to add it into my stack of palettes to give away. Let me know if you guys are interested in like a BoxyCharm giveaway. I have an awful lot of stuff sitting here that I am never going to use, and most of my friends in real life honestly are not really that big into makeup. And so I'm just left with all of this stuff here. Of course, I could always donate it to a women's shelter, but I'm not sure how that's going right now with the, you know, pandemic issue. So I'm not sure if they're even taking donations. So let me know down in the comments if you would be interested. Just, you know, full disclosure, they are all pretty much neutral palettes. So if you enjoy neutral palettes and you guys want me to do a giveaway, let me know and I'll put one together. Let's move on. Let's add that to our total first. So I said that retailed for $32. And let's pull out the next item. And the last, oh, I've got 2 more items in here. So this is the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Face Primer. The vitamin C powered illuminated makeup primer delivers instant radiance while improving and extending makeup wear. Inspired by the makeup artist's must-have banana powder, this suitably sunny makeup primer contains brightening pigments to bring radiance to the entire complexion. This retails for $38, and if I remember correctly, this was my choice item. Nothing else really called to me, and I thought it would be interesting to try this. So this is what it looks like. And like I said before, I do enjoy having vitamin C in the morning because it really does help boost the effectiveness of your sunscreen. Of course, if you use vitamin C, you have to use sunscreen or you are more prone to burns. So it's got a little squeezy, a little, you know, pump here, I'm definitely going to use this. Let's see if we can just kind of see what the texture is like on this. Ooh. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if you can see that. It is definitely brightening. That is really nice. Let's see if it has a smell. Ooh, it smells like vitamin C, you know, like the chewable vitamin C's. And then when you blend it out, oh, well, I've got all this other stuff on my hand here. That is really nice. I think that will be really nice, especially since I'm not wearing foundation these days because I have to go to work. So I think that this will work really well with my CoTZ primer. I think this will be beautiful. This is really, really nice, and it does have a bit of an illuminating effect. And I gotta say, that Milk Makeup thing is still hanging in there. I did wipe my hands off, granted with just a towel, nothing wet, and I just put primer over it. And well, now it's budging a little bit, but okay. Let's move along. So that primer again was a retail value of $38. And I have one last thing in my box, and that is the Too Faced Born This Way setting powder. This is, let's see, this setting powder provides a veil of perfecting luminosity for finish so natural they'll think you were born this way. The formula is infused with hyaluronic acid, which gives a smoother, more youthful appearance. Retail value of $33. So is there only one shade? I think there must only be one shade. Let's go ahead and open this up. This is actually something that I will use. Yeah, so this is the translucent one. I always do love Too Faced packaging. I know Too Faced is kind of on the list right now, but there are certain Too Faced products that I really do enjoy, like the Born This Way concealer. I use that in 2 different shades. It is my go-to. It doesn't crease on me. It's lovely, and so I use it. I know, I'm a bad person. I love the little sifter. I love that it has the holes, but on the cap here, it also has like the little knobblies that go in the holes. So that's really nice. And this, ooh, that's a really soft texture. And there is no smell to this. So yeah, I will definitely use this. I gotta say, guys, this is a better box for me. It's a miracle. It's been a long time since I've had a box that was good. So just really quickly, let's go through the items again. We got the Ole Henriksen Brightening Banana Bright Face Primer. That was retail value for $38. The Ciate London palette, which again, I'm not sure that I will use. This one retails for $32. The Too Faced Born This Way setting powder retails for $33. The MAC lipstick I will definitely use. I don't purchase MAC because they are not cruelty-free. Although, you know, I did just see something on Fira NYX's channel about cruelty-free. She is, if you're not familiar with her, she is a cruelty-free makeup blogger. She's one of the people that I absolutely trust when it comes to cruelty-free. And she said that she read some studies, and I'll link the video down below because I think it's an important one to watch if you're a cruelty-free person. She said, you know, with the changing regulations and stuff in China, some of these companies that we have been angry with for a long time because of their no longer cruelty-free status, Wet n Wild comes to mind, honestly, where everyone was upset because they were selling in Wet n Wild, and Wet n Wild is like, no, we promise our products are not tested, you know, on animals. Even in China, they're not subject to aftermarket testing. And I know that China did just recently change their regulations so that like color cosmetics, everyday cosmetics don't have to be tested anymore. But I am not an expert, so I think it's important to go and watch that video. So I will, again, link her video down below if you're interested in seeing that. So I'm not sure where MAC falls these days, to tell you the truth. I personally don't purchase from MAC, but since this came in my box, I actually will use it. Anyways, long story short, then we have the Milk Makeup pencil. This one retails for $22, and then the Fenty Portable Contour and Concealer Brush retails for $24. So all told, my box retails, ooh, for $168, which I think is under the limit. I think it's supposed to be $175. I think. I'm gonna have to double check that. But that is everything in my box today. I have to say I am actually more pleased with this box than I have been in a very long time, because my last couple have really sucked. My July box in particular was really, really bad. There was only one product in there that I would use. So altogether, I mean, I will use these 4 products. So that's way better. And I think that's everything. Yeah, so again, let me know what you think about a giveaway with these BoxyCharm palettes. If you're interested in knowing what they are, let me know, and I will maybe either do a very short video just kind of showing you guys what they are so you guys can make up your mind, or I'll put them in a pinned comment. You tell me what you would prefer, and yeah, we can go from there. So I'm going to be done for today. That is everything for my BoxyCharm Premium today. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to hit that like button down below. And while you're there, if you scooch on over and hit subscribe, you will be notified of all of my uploads. And you can find me on Instagram. I am at @SeeMyBliss_Beauty. It is the same thing that I am here. So I'd love it if you're not following me there already, if you would hop on over there and follow me as well. And with that, if you leave the house today, please remember to wear your mask and wash your hands and be kind to your friends and your neighbors and your family. And I will hopefully see you guys next time. Bye!